everyone. I'm a huge fan of Marshall Goldsmith, who had a session this morning. And he has written a wonderful book called What Got You Here Will Not Get You There. And this can't be more relevant in today's ever-changing technological world. Technology is changing the way we are doing business, be it in communication, media, or even hardcore sector like real estate, which I represent today. A lot of meanings have changed, a lot of definitions have changed. Let's look at the word illiterate. Very simple word. What we had in mind, people who didn't have formal education is called illiterate. Not anymore. It's no more true in today's parlance. I would say people who have stopped acquiring any new learning post their acquiring the formal education should be called illiterate. We no longer rely just on education institute or the companies where we work to give us the knowledge which we'll require for tomorrow. We need to learn to leverage on a lot of other things, like online options like Coursera, Udacity, etc. Use of social channel. Create filters to remain on top of the things. Participate in communities which are relevant to your interest and passion. A recent study in New York Times suggested that people who do not spend at least about 5 hours in a week to learn something new will become obsolete with the technology. Execution of this idea alone is not the sole responsibility of the organizations where we work, but it calls for a culture change, where we, in our role as employee and employers, need to look at learning beyond traditional degrees, and as HR leaders, encourage an environment and viewing the skills which are learned through alternate mediums as important as learned through degrees. This brings to a very important word called curiosity, which is so very relevant today. Moms in Israel ask their kids every single day, what 2 to 3 new questions that you asked today, rather than what did you learn today? This simple ritual seems to have created such a huge impact at a fundamental level in a country which is just 0.61% of India's size, but it is the 5th most innovative country in the world today. Makes me wonder to think that we are nothing but the quality of questions we ask in our life today. Our ability to do things differently is directly correlated with the quality and ability to ask questions, because knowledge thrives on curiosity. I think the current scenario where education institutes and corporates work as separate entity needs to change. We need to have an integrated ecosystem where courses should be devised with the futuristic skills which would be required in people, and encouraging qualities like curiosity and individuality at a much earlier stage, because ultimately these are the qualities which will differentiate and which will give an edge to humans over the machines. A recent Economic Times study revealed that about 80% of engineers graduating in India are unemployable. So rather than just blaming our education system, it's important that we really do something about it as a corporate. So what did we do differently? A couple of years back, we being real estate and developer players in the market were really feeling scarcity of plumbing engineers. We went to a couple of institutes, including NICMAR. We had dialogue with their faculties. And they were happy to incorporate certain aspect of plumbing in civil engineering course. And that actually solved our problems. So out-of-box thinking is extremely, extremely important in today's world. We need to change the status quo.